Hello everyone. Question 6. What problem is? Mrinalini had rupees 53.50. She spent rupees 27.75 from it. How much money is left with her? Student, there are problems in this question. How much money is left with her means how much money she has left. That is, we have to subtract this question. Then for this we have to see the first sentence. The first sentence is how much money did Mrinalini have? So the first statement, amount had with Mrinalini. How much money she had? 53 rupees 50 paise. Now we will write rupees 53.50. Now we will go another sentence. The second sentence is she spent rupees 27.75 from it. So now second statement will be money she spent. Money she spent. How much money spent out of it? 27 rupees 75. Now we have to find out how much money she has left. So we will write here, therefore money left with her first write total amount rupees 53.50 minus she spent money rupees 27.75. Now do subtract. Rupees 53.50 rupees 27.75. Let's subtract. 0 cannot cut 5, so it will borrow from 5. 5 gave 1 to 0, 0 became 10 and 5 became 4. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 4 cannot cut 7, so it will borrow from 3. 3 gave 1 to 4, 4 became 14 and 3 became 2. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Next here is 2. 2 cannot cut 7. It will borrow from 5. 5 gave 1 so 2 became 12 and 5 became 4. So 12 minus 7 is 5 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Clear? Total amount $25.75. This money is left with her. Write here answer. Rupees 25.75. Rupees 25.75 money is left with her. Clear? Next question 7. What problem is Resma had rupees 100. She spent rupees 28.50 on carrots and rupees 15.75 on tomatoes. How much money is left with her? In this question, first of all, we have to write total amount that Resma had, and this will be our first statement. So we will write here total amount she had. Amount she had 100 rupees, rupees 100. Next statement, money spent on carrots. How much? Rupees 28.50. And next statement will be money spent on tomatoes. How much? Rupees 15.75. 15 rupees 75 paise. Now we have find out how much money she has left. So for this we have to first add both amounts that she has spent. Clear? After that the answer that will come after adding both the amounts, we will subtract the answer from the hundreds rupees. Clear? So we will write here, therefore money left with her. Rupees 100 that he had money. Next, minus cost of carrots, rupees 28.50 plus cost of tomatoes, rupees 15.75. Student, as I told you, we will add both amounts first. Let's add. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 carry, 2 right here. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 right here and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Rupees 44.25. That is how much money did she spend? 44 rupees 25 paise. Now we have to subtract rupees 44.25 from 100 rupees. Clear? So first of all we have to arrange the amounts in column of rupees and paise. Rupees, paise. Clear? You can see how to write. Rupees is 100. So we will write here 100. There are nothing here paise. So we have to write here 0, 0. 0 means nothing. Now spent money is 55 rupees 75 paise. Sorry, spent money is 44 rupees 25 paise. Now subtract it. Let's subtract. 0 cannot cut 5. It will borrow from neighbors, but neighbors also has nothing. Now he will borrow from his neighbors. His neighbors also has nothing. Now it will borrow from his neighbors. Here to his neighbor as nothing. So it will borrow from his neighbor. Now his neighbor has 1. 1 gave 1 to his neighbor. So 0 became 10. And 1 become 0. Now when he has 10, it can give it to his neighbors. 10 gave 1 to 0. So 0 became 10. And 10 became 9. Now 10 gave 1 to his neighbors. So 0 became 10 and 10 became 9. Similarly, this it will also give 1 to its neighbor. So 0 became 10 and 10 became 9. Now this 10 gave 1 to its neighbors. So 0 became 10 and 10 became 9. Clear? So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. Next 9 minus 4 is 5. Next 9 minus 4 is 5. Here is nothing. So rupees 55.75. Write here answer. Rupees 55.75. 55.75 money is left with her. Rupees 55.75 is left with her. Clear? Next question 8. Problem is Zayan wants to buy a book worth rupees 85.50, but he has only rupees 50.75 with him. How much more money does he need to pay? In this question, first statement will be cost of book. How much rupees? 85.50. Second statement will be money he had. How much money did he have? Rupees 50.75. Now we have find out how much more money he needed from him. So we will write here, therefore more money he needed to pay. He needed to pay. First will be right. Cost of book 85.50. minus money he had rupees 50.75. Let's subtract. 0 cannot cut 5. So we will borrow from 5. 5 gave 1. 0 became 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here is 4. 4 cannot cut 7. So we will borrow from 5. 5 gave 1. 4 become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Here is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 5 is 3. rupees 34.75. Write here answer. So he needed to pay rupees 34.75. Student, it's that clear? Okay.